Welcome to our channel. Today we are configuring SNMP protocol in S7-1500 and reading the data from camera. Let's start. This is my camera IP. Let's check ping. The camera IP is pinging. So let's check. This is 28% of CPU uses of our camera. We are reading this data on the PLC. This is SNMP setting. Don't required for enable this because we are reading the data from the camera, not share the data with SNMP client. For reading camera data, this is our camera. This is SNMP protocol, and this is the detail which we used for reading the data. This is the SNMP port number. The camera uses is 28%. Now clear this is the tool for SNMP tester. This is CPU usage. Now minimize it. Let's go to programming part. For reading the camera data, we need this library. We can download from Siemens website. This is SNMP library. So how we can add this library? Click on configure. Then add library. Give the name of the library as you want. Click here and go to download. You need also to download TIA package manager. You can download from here. I will provide the link in description. You can download from Siemens website. Also have a main documentation. Now minimize it. After download, then extract the file, then go to here, downside, and select TI package manager. This one. After selecting, click on open, and don't need to argument or just click here. This is library lib. I close it. Now click on tools, then external application, launch TIA or library package. Click OK. This is open. Now need to connect internet. No internet. Let's connect the internet. Now it's connecting. Close this and click on login page. Use Siemens ID. and password, then select login. After login, you can search for this library Semantic Communication Suite. In Semantic Communication Suite, we have these protocols TCP, FTP, STTP, STTPS, and MQTT, and OPC, UA. These all are the communications which we done from this library. You can search this Semantic Communication Suite on search window of this, and this is SNMP. We required this library. I'm already installed. So we are going to next part. This is the library. After you downloading the library, you will get the library in libraries. Now this is the block. Now close it. This is the block, and this is the community. You can use this is the camera details. This is the public community. Use this for reading the data from camera, and this is the port number. These two we need to enable. One is for testing purpose and one is for PLC. Some PLC libraries support version 1 or 2. You can drag and drop from the SNMP get block like this, then assign DB. Now I delete it. I already done this block, and for connections, connection parameter, open connection 1, and this is the connection parameters. Now go offline. This is the IP address of the camera, and this one is port number, and this is system constant. You can find from device configuration, then go to property, then click on system constant. This is the local Profinet interface 1, this one. Now, and This is the IP, and this is the data. This is the data format, and we are receiving the data in bytes on this data type. This is the OID you can get from this OID number from MIB file of the camera. This is the string. This is the type of the data. It's selected automatically when you put the MOID. Let's go online or download the project. Click on load. Now go online. Then go DV online. And look, we are receiving the data in bytes. 32, like when I put 0, it's automatically value arrive from camera. Let's check, clear the lock, then wait for 5 seconds. This is 28%. This is the MIB browser, and click on work. You can browse the MIB file of camera. You will get all the details and OID numbers of the camera. Let's check. This is bytes. Then we are receiving the in bytes. Let's take a block character to string. Then select the value and drag and drop it to character. Drag it, and this is put 0 for counts. It's 10 or something as you wish. This is the array number, means count means array numbers. Now create one string tag in this DV. I just rename SNMP value or data. Select the data type string. Now compile it or download it. Just wait. Now click on start, then finish it. Let's go to online. Look, 28% we are receiving the CPU usage. This is 28%. Let's reading another data. This one. This is 91%. Clear this. Look, the 90%. Copy this OID and paste it here. It, then make it 11 here also. Copy this, double click here and paste it here, then download the program. Software all, select stop all, then load it and then finish it. Look, the data is coming now. Let's read the camera model number. Copy the OID number. Then download it. Look, the camera model number is coming. Let's start. Look, the camera model number is coming. This is a count issue. We need to more counts on there. Then we will get the same things on the PLC. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe.